friends, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another vlog. I think today's gonna be a really good day because me and my best friend Grace are gonna go on a little adventure. I've actually never been to where we're going to. The town we're going to, I believe, is called St. Helena, and it's in like Napa County, Napa Valley, I'm pretty sure. I'm really excited. I think it'll be fun. It's like my day off of like school and work today. I wanted to do something with Grace before she like went back to San Jose to like start her internship and stuff like that. That's where we're going today. I'm really excited. I'll show you guys what I'm wearing really quick. The hat that I'm wearing is from Free People, and then this dress I just got from Bow and Arrow. I'm wearing a little necklace from Missouri, and then I'm just wearing these little boots from Matisse Footwear. All right guys, I'm in the car now. I'm just about to go and pick up Grace. She actually slept over last night, but then her mom ended up picking her up in the morning, so she could go get ready at her house and stuff. I'm really excited. It's super hot here. I don't know if it's gonna be like cooler over there. I don't know how the temperature is over there, but I'm wearing a dress, obviously, as you know, so I think I should be good. I think it's gonna be such a beautiful day. Like, I'm so excited to just see vineyards, and just the lunch place that we're going to, or brunch, whatever we're doing, is really freaking cute. I'm so excited. Just got to Grace's right now, and fun fact about Grace, she hates country music and I love it, so I'm just gonna play it really loud and get her reaction on camera to see just how she feels about me blasting country on the way to St. Helena today. Here she comes. Grace got things! Do you like the song? Trying to record your reaction to the country music.
Yeah, it looked like what you wanted, probably startled and not happy.
No, you actually didn't even notice, I don't think.
I did. I was like, oh, she's doing this, so I'm annoyed.
The place we're going is called Farmstead. Just that, right? It's not Farmstead coffee or anything.
Dude, these bangs are out of control.
You look like Selena. So we just got to Farmstead at Long Meadow Ranch. That's what it's called.
Yeah.
And it was a little bit tricky getting here. I had to like go pull a U-ey and stuff. We all know I don't do well with directions, and neither does Grace because she don't drive. So we just parked somewhere. Hopefully we don't get towed. Grace. And we're gonna go and find this little restaurant, cafe, whatever it is, but it's a very nice day. Like, it's really hot. Oh my god.
Good thing.
It's like 100 degrees.
Well, you're wearing a dress.
Sitting outside of this little cafe. Actually, it is an outdoor cafe, and it's so pleasant, cute, and peaceful, and there's nice shade here. So we both got a nice vanilla latte with oat milk. They brew, what's it called? Stumptown Roasters here, which is super, super good. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
We got lattes. To drink them here, and then we thought that they had food here, but it doesn't look like they have many like vegan friendly options, so we might just go somewhere else for that. This place is so freaking cute, that outdoor cafe. I love it. So I just got my latte. I'm gonna do a quick little taste test here. I think I have my other straws in my bag. I don't know. That's good. The oat milk. It's Oatly, right? Thank God they had oat milk. Yeah, it's gotta be Oatly. Thick and amazing. 9 out of 10. Probably 10 out of 10, but I just wanted to be like a little bit sweeter.
I knew you were gonna say that.
Really? So Grace and I have been taking photos for the last like 30 minutes. We're both like sweating because it's so hot, but I think we got some cute ones. There's like this really nice like little house, and the lighting was great. Look at that.
Yeah, I had to take 450 photos.
Yeah, I had Grace take a lot of me there because the lighting was just like ideal and just beautiful. And now our drinks are condensating because we left them here.
This is what basic girlies.
been a great time so far. Guys, this bathroom is nice as heck. Cute, cute flowers, cute. Love the design. So we are currently eating. Well, actually Grace just finished eating and I'm still working on this little bowl of potatoes here. We're eating at the restaurant part. So they had a cafe and they also have a restaurant. Sorry if it's loud in here, but it's so cute. Like everything's so industrial and like there's wood everywhere. My fork almost stabbed me in the head. These potatoes are really good. They have rosemary on them. And I rate them a solid 8 out of 10. Really good. What are you doing?
Hello everyone. I'm looking through Erica's about, I would say 1,000 photos total in verse. I think I'm her unofficial photographer.
That's kind of true.
Yeah. It's kind of like really cool.
But I'm yours too, so.
Yeah, true.
Oh! Look at these nice taters.
I think that's the winner.
This is it. This is gonna be on IG.
After all the photos, this is the winner.
So we're now leaving Farmstead at Long Meadow Ranch. So cute. Probably rate it a good like 8 out of 10 probably. What about you?
Yeah,
The service wasn't the best. The service wasn't great, but
the food
was good. The coffee was just impeccable.
Oh, they
there's
got a
my car.
trolley.
We're gonna go that way. We're now gonna, oh, it's a wine trolley. Oh my God, cute. Now we're gonna go to this little boutique that Grace claims is really cute. Hopefully we can find it because she doesn't know the name of it. So
It's on the main street.
wish us luck. Hi guys, so it is actually much later now. If you can't tell, I'm actually back home. Me and Grace left Calistoga around like 5-ish. We walked around, we went into like that cute store, didn't end up getting anything, but it was super cute. It was just like really hot. So we ended up leaving and then I dropped Grace off at home and now I'm just in my backyard, obviously, and it's so hot in my house because we don't have AC and it's like literally like 85 degrees out. So I'm sitting out here outside on a blanket with my laptop, and actually I was just like checking my room tour because I posted that. So if you haven't seen my room tour yet, it's up and I'll have it linked below, but I was just double checking it to make sure I had like all the links in the description box. So I don't know if I've mentioned yet what book I'm currently reading, but I'm reading A New Earth by Eckhart Tolle, or Tolle, however you say his last name. I'm surprised it took me so long to read this book. I have The Power of Now, but I actually never even finished that book. So I'm reading this one first and I'll probably read Power of Now after. Highly recommend, 10 out of 10. I'm gonna read that and chill out here.